yeah!
It starts with the sun. As it melts, as it warms up the ground, melting the snow, collecting the water, filling the streams, the trees start to wake up. Well, another warm day. Not every day do you get sap. Some days you just get a little bit. It all depends on how cold it is the night before and how warm it is that day. So you want good sun, but below zero at night. On cold sunny days, you'll sometimes get sap, but when you come and see it, you've got a block of ice.
Now we're talking.
Some days, some trees will put out a real lot, other trees won't. Got a really windy day today. It's above zero, but maybe a gallon is all I got, whereas we can get 5 gallons on a good day. Pretty good yield today. I'm getting about 1/3 of a bucket on most trees. So I'm filtering it as I pour it. I just pour it into the funnel there. I'll get about probably 3.5 gallons out of today's yield and hopefully boil that down tonight. So because of hydro's rates, I start boiling at about 5 and boil right through till midnight, 1 o'clock, somewhere around there. Yeah, I'm getting it condensed. Not expecting too high a yield this year.
That's where we're at right now. I'm just heating it up.
Got it in that little bucket just to add heat around the bottom of it. Okay, so the amber color, that's probably boiled down, I would say like 2/3. So it's highly sweet. It actually tastes just like maple syrup, except it's still a beverage. It's still, the consistency isn't syrup. And then here is just maple sap. Just got it out of the tree about 5 minutes ago. Oh, just ever so slightly sweet. Refrigerated from outside, fresh from the forest. Only filtered through my funnel, so it's just pure. Now I know there's enzymes and really good vitamins in it, but I'm a firm believer that it's one of the only natural sweeteners that's beneficial to the body, and especially in this form when you're taking it directly from the tree. Perfect day today. Really unusual in that I'm getting a gallon from each of 10 buckets, so 10 gallons at least today.
First quart of maple syrup.
So now it's just a long, slow process of boiling, filling, boiling, filling. I have 3 different buckets on the go. So one where it's just about syrup, one where it's condensed for 2-night boil, and tonight I'll be starting a real lot because of all this new stuff. So in all, you just keep boiling it down.